All right, hello my fellow investors, City Intelligent Investor here. And before we start this video, just know that this video is sponsored by Acorn, so use the link in the description down below to sign up. I'm telling you, I don't recommend something I don't use myself. I've been using Acorn since 2016, and I'm telling you, you will not regret it. You're going to look on 5 years from now, and you're going to say that this was the best decision of your life. I'm telling you guys that. Now, because this video is sponsored by Acorns, what I'm doing is, if you guys sign up with Acorns with the link in the description down below, you can send me that, you can show me that you did that, and I will personally give you some financial advice. I will set up a meeting with you, and I will do a free consultation, free of charge, all that good stuff. I'll go through, if you want me to help you out with your debt or your finances, I'll do that and go with you through that. If you guys just want to set up a portfolio with stocks that fit you, I will go through that with you. I would help you find the best stocks, for what you're looking for. If you're looking for day trading stocks or swing trading stocks or long-term investments, I'll do a portfolio just for you so it can be set up the way you want it, and we'll do a one-on-one. So again, this video, like I said, it is sponsored by Acorns, and this is because of Acorns. So let's start off with the video. All right, so the war is back on with GameStop and AMC. Slowly they're moving up. But also be careful, because the hedge funds are going to be bumping the stock up a bit, and they will be making it come down so they can make profit off of a lot of people. Now, they already set up the warnings and all that stuff, so if you lose money, guys, they will take away that money. I mean, so just don't buy super high. If you're going to buy, check the prices at this price right now. But again, a lot of hedge funds will be jumping into it because they will be trying to get that money, because they know a lot of people are going to jump into it, and they will be kind of, selling it off. People are starting to actually sell off too, because they want to recover some of that money, but it's been shooting up like crazy today. So, like I said, I did invest first $25,000, and then I invested another $5,000. So I averaged down big time. My average is about like 82 now. So it went from like 200 to like 100, then 90, and then it dropped all the way down to, it was 82. So, my average went down big time. I mean, I'm not going to sell. For me, like I said, I invested money that I'm willing to lose. So if I lose 30,000, then, I lose 30,000, but I'm never going to sell the stock. If I end up losing a lot, I'm not going to sell the stock. I'm just going to keep it and just let it be there, So that's the way I'm looking at this. So just be careful when you invest in it, because now that it's free and open, people are going to start jumping back into it. And again, the hedge funds will take advantage of that. So if you see these big shot ups, hedge funds did invest a lot of money, so they can, kind of force people to start buying again, and then they sell and they start making that profit. If you see that candle right there, it's coming down pretty heavy. So hedge funds, like I said, they're trying to buy at 60. It went up to 80, and they're slowly selling so they can make some quick profit and make up for what they, lost already. So again, be careful when you buy. But again, this battle is going to start going. From what I've seen, GameStop is still at about 60% shortage. So the hedge funds are going to be on top of this. They're going to try to lose as least amount of money as possible. AMC, it's still about 50%. So the short squeeze can still happen. If people start holding like they were and buying, then it will squeeze up, guys. Like I said, if the asking price stays high, then it will squeeze up quickly. So, people have been telling me, hey, you're stupid for investing in this. You're going to go to like a penny and stuff. I'm like, I don't care. I have money. I've invested. The only way you're actually going to make money is if you risk it, The first reason I did make a lot of money in the stock market is because I took a risk, And these people are making money. The guy from Wall Street Bets made a lot of money because he took the risk, okay? So if you want to make money, you have to take a risk. Stop being a little and jump out every time you see a sign of fear. You're not going to succeed in the market like that. Just know that. You have to take a risk if you want to make money. But just know that you can lose a lot of money. So like I said, I put $30,000 in there, okay? So if I lose it, I don't care. My portfolio is a lot bigger. I make a good chunk of that on dividends. So it's money I'm okay with losing. All right. But again, if that risk pays off, then, I mean, my portfolio is going to be a lot bigger, okay? So, again, you got to take the risk if you want the huge reward. You're never going to succeed in the market if you don't take a huge risk. And people are like, I bought a share, you know, it goes up $200, oh, I made 200, you know, like, I mean, you did make it, but if you times it by 5 or something, then that's when it gets bigger. So, you know, for example, like me, when I told you guys about this stock, eHealth is at $58. We bought it at $47. This past week, it's been up about $10. So we bought it on Monday at $57, and right now it's at $58, so we're up $11. You know, I usually buy 1,000 shares, so I'm up $1,100 just from this stock. And it's like, you have to go big if you want to make big money, you know? So if you're not there and you're always being scared and you're not waiting, if you see a big drop and you're like, oh my God, I need to sell because I don't want to lose more money. No, you have to kind of wait out the situation. The same thing that's happening with Apex. You guys have to be a little bit patient with that, because people saw it dropping and they said, oh, they were panicking and all that stuff. I mean, this is a great company. The only reason, like I said, that a lot of the stock is coming down is because people don't want to wait. People are just selling out. They don't want to wait for that date. And when they jump back on closer to the date that they're going to merge, then the stock is going to shoot back up. But for us that are a little bit more patient, we're going to be making more money because the stock keeps dropping. We're going to keep buying more at a cheaper price. And then when the stock eventually starts going up and it hits our mark, our returns are going to be much higher than those of the people who came in a little bit later. And that's the thing with the market, guys. You guys need to learn how to be patient. With AMC, like I said, I'm willing to wait till the end of the year to actually make my profits. I know I'm going to get them. I just need to wait at the end of the year. So that's one thing you guys need to know. You have to be patient with the market. And people have been talking a lot of smack about the people that are holding GameStop. But if this thing does shoot up again and people make their profits, then they're going to look at it and be like, you know, oh, I should have stayed or I should have done something, you know? But that's the thing, guys. The market's always going to be like this. I've been in the market for 12 years. I've been in the financial world for about 8 years. And I've been a professional investor for about 5 actually now. And that's how I became a financial advisor. Now, again, these videos are not giving you financial advice. This is just giving you my thoughts and opinions. And if you see all my videos in the past, I mean, I give out good information, and it's helped a lot of people, you know? We jump into stocks at a good price, and we get out at a really good price, and we keep making good returns. And that's the point of what we do in the market, you know? Whatever I'm going to make with eHealth, if I lose any money somewhere else, I made it in eHealth. In APXT, I'm confident I'm going to make a return there. And when that happens, then I'm going to make that money back if I lose anything on GameStop. But again, if GameStop drops to like $10, then I'm just going to keep it. I'm not going to sell it. I'm just going to leave it there. Instead of losing all that money, I'm just going to keep the stock and I'll own a share of the company. So, I mean, I don't lose too much. So, I mean, that's the way you need to look at it. If you're investing into the stock market, you're investing into a company. Don't jump because of a hype or any of that stuff. Like Churchill Capital, a lot of people are jumping it because of the hype. I mean, it's going to be a good company. It's going to kill Neo once it becomes if it merges with Lucid Motors. But it hasn't merged yet. They haven't announced that they are going to merge yet. And, I mean, they have no books. They have no profits, none of that stuff. Everything is still in the pre-phase. So that's why I'm not investing into it. Once it becomes a merger, then that's when I'll start investing in it, when they actually confirm all that stuff. So, again, with GameStop and AMC, guys, if you guys are going to hold, just know that just be willing to lose that money, but there can be a high reward. So have that in mind. And if you want to take the risk, go for it. If you don't, then, I mean, I would say jump out and take your profits or losses, whatever, you know? But again, you got to go big or go home sometimes. And, you know, that's what I've done, and that's how I've been successful. The people that do that have been successful. You're not going to catch all of them. You will lose money. But in some of them that you make money, you'll eventually find your pattern and you'll know how to make money out of that. And you'll make more than you would lose. So again, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Use the link in the description down below. Again, like I said, set up with Acorns and you'll be part of this whole deal. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.